Hey Kelsey, how's it going?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm so excited to ask you a few questions as you skate around here.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, awesome. Well, this campaign is all about, ability to express oneself in a variety of ways. What are 3 ways you like to express yourself?
With what I wear, my wardrobe.
That makes sense. I can see that.
Let's see, my smile. I like to express myself with my smile and my energy. And the third one. This is so easy. How do I like to express myself with my voice? It's very unique, and I've grown to love it.
I love your voice. People always tell me I have like a cartoon voice.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to learn to love it. I'm going to use you as my role.
Yes.
Okay, so pick a post. I'm sure you have one that you've created. You've created so many on social that you feel best expresses yourself. And give us a breakdown. Tell us the story behind the post, how you created it.
Okay, so here we go. It's a recent one. I have they're kind of like songs that people write, but I don't write music, so they're like my little like skate babies. But this is a video that I took in Barcelona, Spain. I went to my very first skate festival, and I got to travel Europe all because I skate, and skating took me there, so it was really special. This is just a spontaneous moment of me being free in a different country doing what I love. So yeah.
I love it so much. Wait, pull it up to the camera. I want to see it one more time. So cute. Look at your hair there. Different color than it is right now. I love it. You're playing with it. I'm feeling your vibe.
Yeah.
And those shorts. Nice. Okay, so finally, last question here. The sun is setting. Give me an interesting nugget that you can share about your personal journey and learning to embrace who you are and feeling comfortable expressing that. You already told us about your voice, which I love. What else have you learned about expressing yourself over time?
That you truly don't have to emulate anyone else. You can do what you love and just trust the timing of it. It teaches you patience. It teaches you just to really trust the timing of your life and your path. And yeah, I think through skating, I was able to like really understand my beauty and my worth. And I had that with dance, but skating has really opened up doors because that's what really got me out here, and I can do anything when I have my skates on. I'm much more bold. So trust your timing, trust yourself, and know that you're innately, more than enough, and you're dope, and you're super cool. And I can say that, and it's fine. Like, I'm dope, and I'm super cool, and you are too. So yeah.
Love it so much. Good advice. Be yourself, own yourself, and express yourself. So good. All right, well, we'll let you skate home now. We'll see you later. Thanks for hanging out.